gị bụ onye ma na-ege m ntị n'ọnụ. Biko ihe anyị ji maka ya wee bịa bụ maka ndị ọ na-abụ ha bịa ha eje bie pichọ mmadụ. Ndị pastọ ga-abụ ha bịa ha ebie pichọ ndị pastọ magoro ha chọọ a powerful man of God ga bie pichọ ya were ya tinye na their own banner without permission. Is very wrong, oga. Is very, very wrong. Before you may anything, take a permission from the owner of the picture. You can't just come and display someone's picture telling church, because you are in kind of and telling people that this particular man of God is coming to your church. You are actually telling your church members, or maybe the people that you want to invite. Some people would like to come because of that person have on your banner. Some people would like to come because of the person. Then in the church, you can like if one can have this man, for example, that's not a man of God, he might be a pastor in the Catholic in the Assemblies of God. God see teacher Pastor Paul Eneche under banner care. That shows that now he's actually inviting him to the program. Do you understand? Then there are so many people gauging Maka. Oh, this man of God is coming to so place, and it's been long. They have been trying everything possible to see the man. Because he may go that kind of thing. Then they will be like this. They are very opportunity to do what, to see the man of God, or maybe to come to listen to his preaching or something like that. Then at the end of the day, you end up disappointing them. Not just cause or maybe no make you Hosea or make Kana or you want to make you Hosea. Did you even tell him? Did you tell him about it? That is the question. Did you tell him about it before making use of his banner? Because here I get to know about this man of God picture evangelist Ebuka Obi. See that not just see just to create a awareness or something like that. I don't even know what he's saying about the video, because me, I don't even understand him. It's very, very wrong. Very, very wrong. It is in a picture man na latande mad na church again. It is in a picture man of God na latande mad na church again. Because it's not because of the grace he carry, because of his the grace or carry the maybe. If you actually want it that way, you can go as far as going to his church, invite him. Okay, that didn't talk about dota na so date, because obugodi not 30 minutes preaching, I'm okay with it. Obugodi not 15 or 20 minutes preaching, I'm okay with it. There is no way the Jews again. Once you make a preaching here there where you're making or not back to his or her own church, because this man of God make it and I want to clear the air. My Oga, you are very, very wrong. God is very wrong. You name is that in Oduloma. You name is near Oduloma. Okukwan call non because name vidana. Can this video you may share. Actually me for your comments in the comment section. And actually come for that me click you like. Click a subscription button so that you subscribe or on all your notification. I'm going to in this video now. I feel this man of God.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. My name is Blessed Lambert Ebenezer Jeremon Sungenge. They call me Blessed Oracle. Please, I am doing this video now to clarify an information that is going on in the internet because of our forthcoming program. Please, I want to use this medium to say that our Papa, Ebuka Obi, that the purpose why his picture is in the program is for his spiritual blessing, is for spiritual blessing, not that he is going to come for the program. So as many that or that he's aware of the program, so as many people that are determine it to be another thing. All my fellow Zionites, I want you to disregard any other information that you get. I am the one hosting the program. And like I said, the purpose of our Papa's picture, our spiritual director's picture, is for spiritual blessings so that the program will go successfully. There is no way anybody will think or assume that this little community outreach, that our Papa will be there. Our Papa is too busy. Our Papa is too busy. He can't come in such a program. So please, I want you all to disregard anybody making any other intention or using it against our big family Zionite. Don't listen to such a person. Don't listen to such a person. So wherever you are, if you see this video, I want you to share it. Tag everybody. Tag Honorable Ako Zion. Tag Barrister Tochukwu. Tag all the Zionites. Are you getting what I'm saying? I am a full member of Zionite. I have been following Papa for a very long time. So I want you people to take this message, share it in all the platforms so that it will be clarified. And I assure you God will bless you. Also to remind you, remember that we are having our program this week in our headquarters in Lagos. So all the Zionites, wherever you are, connect, prepare to be in Zion headquarters, Lagos, this week for that program. And the Lord will bless you. The God of our Papa, Evangelist Ebuka Obi, will bless you in the mighty name of Jesus. I am Blessed Lambert Ebenezer Ajiri. Thank you and God bless you.
My brother, this agwe parawa bonyoshi. Or what you call obtained by tricks. You cannot tell me that you just decided to put Ebuka Obi's picture in your crusade without seeking consent, without informing them, or without reaching out to them. Because the backlash you're getting, you came out online to talk gibberish. You need to remove his picture from there. You need to seek legal advice from his legal team before you portray yourself in this kind of rubbish movement you took. This is totally unacceptable. All Zionite or the legal team should reach out to you for you to remove his picture from this your crusade. You can equally quietly reach out to them one way or another. If you can't reach out to them, you cannot put such picture there because you're obtaining by tricks. All these things you're explaining doesn't make sense. Did you seek their consent? Did you inform the Aku you're mentioning? Did you inform the legal team you're mentioning? My brother, you should remove his name, anything that has to do with him, from that your post that you're deceiving the public. Just because, you know, sirens are everywhere. When you do anyhow, you collect anyhow. That is why you rush out here to say what? Are you really serious? Are you really serious? You guys are taking advantage of Ebuka Obi because he has a large population. Why would you do something like this without informing any of the legal team or without informing anybody or seeking advice or even asking them their consent before you use his picture? My brother, please guys, if you get this video, share it so let it reach the appropriate authority. Please, this video should be shared. This is Arab nonsense. You're not even making sense. You're not. For those of you and those that will, because if you guys do not do anything about this, they will start performing this kind of dirty acts on any of their deceitful way. That you're a Zionite, that you're this, you're this. Does that give you the right to do this? So if you guys did not take action now, this particular people, this guy, after he's finished his own, another person will come and take over and do the same thing. So the best thing for all of you is to send a straight warning. Because many people were on this line. Mmadụ were picture mmadụ ya emepe Facebook na-egwu somebody wayo, onye ahụ eche na onye ahụ na-egwu ya wayo. Mmadụ were picture mmadụ tinye akpọ gị na WhatsApp group, nara gị your nude picture, nara gị ọtọ gị, get you know the person. This nonsense should stop. Go and do the needful.